Hey, it's great to see you back here. Tech Nerd 9000 here, and today I'm going to review a green screen. I wrote that on there. It did not come like that. I just didn't want to misplace the box. Okay, so I opened the box. What do I see? It's a screen. I mean, it's not a screen, really, is it? It's a cloth. It's a cloth. It has latches on it or something like that. So what do you want to know about a green screen for review? So it is green, so they did that right. I'm going to compare it to a Lego Apple green, so you can see the difference. Hold on, I'm just kidding. All right, so here's a green apple from the Lego Indiana Jones Ambush and Cairo set. And if we hold it up, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So it also came with some clips, I think, or some clips here. See these little clips? We've got like this on the end. I don't know what this does, but it's something. And then there's some like jumper cables in here. And you've got, oh, these are like tacks or something like that. Don't sit on these, that would hurt. Now, it claims that it's 6x9, so we're gonna test that theory here by measuring it. It's hard to do this while holding a phone, but. We're gonna do this. All right, so 6x9. It's pretty good, I think, right? Is that good? 6x9. Patience is a virtue. All right. Got the tape measure here. We're just gonna make sure that they're not lying. So right there you got 71. 71 across. I don't know what that is. Decibels or something. 71 decibels. But yeah, I would say it's pretty good. So what is a good use for a green screen? I'm glad you asked. First of all, I don't have a stand. It did not come with a stand. I priced those out at around $91, and that's too rich for my blood. So if you don't want to tack it to the back of your wall with those thumbtacks that it came with, I recommend draping yourself in it, and then you go on Zoom and you choose virtual background, and then I'm gonna I have a green screen, and look at what it did. I can let everybody know all around me when I stand up that it's happy hour, blouses. It's happy hour. And so, well, this was free for me, but it wouldn't be for you. So do I recommend it at a price of about $17.41? I mean, it's a green sheet. It's a green sheet. 4 stars.